All right. Should we make another bowl? I've got some, I think it's beech. It's a rather big piece. It's probably just about as big as my lathe can handle. Let's just go. Let's just make something. I don't know. I've got no particular image for what this is going to turn out to be, but let's just make something. All right.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Now I'm a bit nervous about this this pith being in the bowl, so I'm gonna just lower it all the way down to below this crack.
Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along.
Not enough.
I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Getting closer, but still not enough.
Dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me.
Yup, that's good.
Right, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean. Yeah, in the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel. Yeah.
So when I'm starting out my hollowing process, I start off by making this V cut, and then I'm trying to dive in with my gouge as straight into the bowl as possible to optimize the function of the 40/40 grind. It carves out the material of the bowl just so quickly and easily. That's absolutely the easiest way to quickly hollow out a bowl. So this is what I've got midway through the hollowing process. I intentionally create those grooves because they make it so easy for me to continue hollowing out the bowl. So when you put a bowl gouge on an even flat surface, it's gonna want to skid, and that can create a whole lot of problems. But when you create these grooves, you can put your bowl gouge into the groove and it doesn't skid. So I'm gonna just quickly sharpen up my 40/40 grind. So from this point on, I'm just gonna be going straight in, creating grooves again to be able to go deeper next time. Well, I'm sorry. You're covered in shins. I covered you up in shavings all over again. Oh well, look at this. Getting to be quite thin on the wall. Oh well, let's try and not blow this one up. So I'm gonna get just into the rhythm of just focusing on hollowing out the rest of this plate, I guess it's gonna be. No, it's gonna be almost a bit of a bowl. Yeah, see you on the other side. I'm gonna show you once I've completely hollowed it. Yeah, alright. Okay, so I've turned to my bottom bowl gouge, which is definitely not ground with the 40/40. This is ground at about 55 or 60 degrees bevel and only about 5 degrees wing angle. I'm going for the bottom of the plate bowl thingy here. I've shaved the walls down as thin as I want them, as thin as I dare shaving them. So now it's just a matter of fine-tuning the bottom to a level, even surface. So let's keep grinding on that. I've been doing a little bit. I'm not sure how much more I want to take because I got the recess in on the bottom. This thing right there where my chuck is holding, and that goes up into the bottom, which is, you know, probably 5 to 7 mil from the inside of the bottom. So I'm gonna just keep on shaving a tiny amount at a time until I feel like I can't do any more, and then I'm gonna do a little bit with the scrapers probably, and that's gonna be it. Alright, this is as much as I dare to take. It's beginning to sound a little thin, but it's still rough, so I'm gonna just very easily scrape at it, refreshing my burr every 30 seconds at the most. Hey, so here I am. I got some linseed oil in a rag and a bowl. I'm gonna just try and, haven't done that too many times, just try and apply some oil to the bowl while it's on the lathe. Sounds kinda simple. Let's see how it goes. Now doing this one hand is not as easy as doing it two-handed, but hey, I gotta communicate with you as well. Now look at this. This is not easy at all. There we go. Don't want to get too close to the jug. Look, I already did the inside. Look how pretty that is.